guys, today we have a 2022 G80 M3. It's in here for just some spark plugs. I'm going to show you how we do spark plugs. We're also going to be gapping them. This car is only on a custom 93 tune bias, and in the future is getting a couple more things done and going port injection. Okay. It's just a pressure sensor connector. I'm just undoing the harness on this little bracket because you do have to pop this up. We're going to take off. This is a E8 or an E6. You're also going to pop off. This is for the O2 sensor, and this is also for the O2 sensor. I pop them off the bracket. Pretty tight.
You're gonna have to jump the harder.
On the I'm just going to show you how I personally like gapping these plugs. We do have this tool. I forgot where I bought this from. But then we also have the BMS gap tool as well. Both work, but I do like this one better personally. It's easier to use. Put it in just like that. Check the gap. And we just lightly clamp it. Don't go too crazy. If you go too crazy, you close the gap too small, then you gotta reopen it. And sometimes that's not good. Okay, let me see. Alright, it's snug. That's what I like. They do recommend 23 newton meters, but I like personally 25, 26 newton meters. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. We're gonna hit there with a little 26. Oh, we're not there yet, guys. I'm sorry. Okay, here we go. 25. Never hurts to check. All right, guys, and that's how we change and gap spark plugs on the G80 M3.